We shall see fitting of the curve of the form y equal to a into x power b. To fit a curve of this form to the datum, we need to calculate a and b. In order to find a and b, we reduce this equation to the form y equal to a plus bx, which represent a straight line. So to reduce the equation y equal to a into x power b to the equation of a straight line in the form y equal to a plus bx, for the given equation y equal to a into x power b, you have to take log on both sides. So taking log on both sides, log y will be equal to log a plus log of x power b, and log of x power b will be b log x. So log y to the base e will be equal to log a plus b into log x. Here left side log y, you can take it as capital letter Y equal to right side first term log a, you can take it as capital letter A plus b into log x to the base e, you can take it as capital letter X. So the equation is in the form y equal to a plus b into x, capital letter Y equal to capital letter A plus small letter b into x, which is an equation in terms of the variable capital letter X and Y. And this linear equation represents a straight line. Here the coefficients are unknowns are capital letter A and small letter b. So we have already seen fitting of a straight line, and there we have seen how to find the coefficients. So here to find the coefficient of this straight line, equation of the straight line, that is capital letter A and small letter b, we have to form the normal equations. So to write the first normal equation, attach a sigma symbol to each term on both sides. You get first normal equation as sigma capital letter Y equal to a into summation 1 means n plus b into summation capital letter X. Then for the second normal equation, attach summation capital letter X to that equation y equal to a plus bx. So left side will be summation capital letter X into y equal to capital letter A into summation X plus b into summation capital letter X square. Now if we solve these two normal equations by calculating summation x, summation y, summation xy and summation x square. By solving that two linear equations in capital letter A and small letter b, you get capital letter A, you get small letter b. So we need small letter A. Once you get capital letter A, then small letter a can be calculated using log a to the base e is capital letter A, means small letter a will be e power capital letter A. So once you get capital letter A, small letter a is calculated by using small letter a equal to e power capital letter A. Substitute e power in that e power, substitute capital letter A and calculate e power A, which will give that value of small letter a. Once you get a small letter a, you already have small letter b. Substitute that values in this equation y equal to a into x power b, which will give the required curve for the data. So as the example, first question, fit a best fitting curve in the form y equal to a into x power b for the following data. Calculate the value of y when x is equal to 3.5. A table of x and y values given. Clearly there are 6 x and y values. So n will be equal to 6. You are asked to fit a curve of the form y equal to a into x power b. So reduce this equation to the equation of a straight line. Take log on both sides. Log y will be equal to log a plus log of x power b, which will be log y is equal to log a plus b into log x. And that equation is in the form capital letter Y equal to a plus bx. In place of capital letter A, it is a log A base E. In place of capital letter X, it is a log X base E. And in place of capital letter Y, it is a log Y to the base E. Remember that log to the base E means it is a ln. So log Y to the base E means ln Y. Capital letter X is log X to the base E means ln X. And log A to the base E is capital letter A means A. Small letter A will be e power capital letter A. So write the normal equation. To this equation, y is equal to a plus bx. Attach sigma to the both terms, attach sigma to each terms on both sides. You will get the first normal equation. Attach sigma capital letter X to each term on both sides. You get the second normal equation. So to complete this normal equation, we need to calculate summation capital letter X, summation capital letter XY, summation capital letter X square, summation capital letter Y. So you can calculate all these sums in the form of a table. So construct the table. First column will be X value, second column will be Y value given in the question. Then the third column capital letter X is ln X. Use the calculator for each of that given X value, calculate ln X value. It is not log X to the base 10, it is a log X to the base E. So in your calculator it is ln X. Similarly, looking at each of the given Y value, calculate capital letter Y value, which is a ln Y. Once you get capital letter X and capital letter Y values, multiply the corresponding entries, get all the possible capital letter XY values. Then the last column, you can show capital letter X square values. At the bottom of each of these columns, third, fourth, fifth and sixth columns, you can find the necessary sums. Summation capital letter X, summation capital letter Y, summation capital letter XY, summation capital letter X square. And once you get all these sums, then you can put it in the normal equation. And normal equations are already written. Substitute that sums in that normal equation with n equal to 6. You get the normal equation as these two equations. 6a plus 6.5792b equal to 9.9319. Then 6.5792 into capital letter A plus 9.4097b equal to 12.02. Now use the calculator. Solve that two equation. First unknown will be A is approximately equal to 1.0912 and B will be approximately equal to 0.5144. You have that capital letter A, we need small letter a, and small letter a will be e power capital letter A. So e power 1.0912 which will give 2.9778. So you get a small letter A, small letter B. Substitute these two values in that equation y equal to A into x power B. Substituting A and B values, you get the curve. In this you can put x as 3.5 and calculate the corresponding value of y, which will be 5.6724. Then the second question, question number 2. Fit a least square geometric curve y equal to A into x power B for the datum where x and y values are given. For x there are 5 values and corresponding 5 values for y. So n will be equal to 5. Question is clear. You have to fit a curve of the form y equal to A into x power B. So reduce this equation to the equation y equal to capital letter A plus B into capital letter X. Equation of a straight line. So for this we take log on both sides to the base E. So we get taking log on both sides to the base E, we get log y to the base E as equal to log a to the base E plus log of x power b to the base E, which will be further equal to log y to the base E as equal to log a to the base E plus b into log x to the base E. In this equation we take it in the form capital letter Y equal to A plus B into capital letter X. Left side we take it as capital letter Y, so that capital letter Y will be log Y to the base E or ln Y. Then the right side, first term, constant term, we take it as capital letter A. So capital letter A will be equal to log A to the base E. So A will be e power capital letter A. Then capital letter X will be equal to log X to the base E or ln X. So given equation Y equal to A into X power B is reduced to the form Y equal to A plus Bx, which represent a straight line. So to fit this straight line we need to calculate capital letter A and small letter b. Then the normal equations. So look at that equation, y equal to a plus bx, and for this write the normal equation. Attach a sigma symbol to each term of both sides of the equation. Y equal to a plus bx. Attaching summation symbol, it will be summation y equal to a into summation 1 means n. So na plus b into summation x. Second normal equation, attach summation capital letter x to both sides of the equation. Y equal to a plus bx. Summation left side, summation capital letter xy will be equal to a into summation x plus b into summation x square. Now find all these sums. So you can draw the table. First two columns are nothing but given x and y values. Then you can show that capital letter x value, which is a ln x, capital letter y value, which is a ln small letter y, then capital letter xy, capital letter x square. So use the calculator to find ln x. Remember, it is not log x to the base 10, it is a log x to the base e. So in the calculator it is a ln x. So once you get all the entries in the table, then you can find the sums. Summation capital letter x, summation capital letter y, summation capital letter xy, and summation capital letter x square. Once you get all these sums, then you put that sums in the normal equation. In these two normal equation. So that a normal equation will be 5a plus 4.7874b equal to 6.1092. 4.787a 4 into a plus 6.1993b equal to 9.0804. Use the calculator, solve these two equations. You get the first unknown, capital letter A as approximately minus 0.69315. Small letter b, the second unknown as 2. Because the two unknowns in this normal equations are capital letter A and small letter b. So first unknown means capital letter A, second unknown means small letter b. Once you get capital letter A, small letter a is nothing but e power capital letter A. Substitute the value of capital letter A, you get small letter a as 0.5, b is 2. So substituting that a and b, we get y equal to a into x power b. Y as 0.5 into x power 2. This will be the required curve.